So today, I think there is presentation from the students. Lever, types of lever, first class lever, second class lever, third class lever, working principle of lever, mechanical advantage.
So Eric's left exercise presentation.
No, now that will not do. Now we'll continue.
Yeah.
So today lever they will do. Okay. Now we start come here. Which one is that? Tending only, why? Tending. So tending symbol we can check. We'll check tending. Well, what is spelling? We got them here.
Wait.
51 year.
Isaac Newton remember tangent are 751 today.
Yes, sure.
So dot I told you to send every slides. They say other. Why are you changing? Why are you changing? He himself is very lazy boy. And that is the worst one. He forgets everything. And you are depending upon him. Okay. So here he has prepared. Remaining all must come ready. You is kissing.
Yes.
Just do coordination with your all friends. By tomorrow all must come.
Yes.
You have got to do works. One is compiling of all the slides. Next one full set of questions. Remember. Just edit one long question and finish. Third work is over. You are the captain or not? Captain has got great responsibility or not, boy? Give a little bit to others and finish. Okay. Present. Come. Come here. I'm present this. Then again you go back to class. For presentation, you stay here, otherwise go back to class. Because his level is not matched till now. You can make a bigger one. Is there any question word? Yeah, then just make a bigger one. You can click there. You click on it bigger. Okay, now pay attention here.
Namaskar everyone, good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me, Tenzin Bonghan, a group member of Isaac Newton. I am presenting about the topic lever. A lever is a rigid bar strip or bend which is able to rotate about a fixed point called
Fulcrum.
fulcrum or pivot.
Okay.
First class lever, the lever in which the fulcrum is situated at any point between the load and the effort is called the first class lever. Second class lever, the lever in which the load is situated at any point in between the effort and fulcrum is called second class lever.
What doing
Going to down. Why are you doing this acting like way? Go down a little bit. Go down. Is that down?
Third class lever, the lever in which effort is applied at any point in between the load and the fulcrum is called third class lever.
Then, is there fourth class lever or not? No? So how many types of lever are there?
3.
What are they?
First class lever, second class lever, third class lever.
Class lever.
What is the example of first class lever?
First class lever. Pillars, scissors. Pliers, scissors.
Not pillar. Pliers, scissors, next. Okay, now we do. It has come. slowly. Okay, otherwise it will not work. It's not like your mobile. Mobile game.
Points to remember are the tree in liver. The fulcrum is in the middle of the first class liver. The load is in the middle of the second class liver. The effort is applied in the middle of the there.
Next. Only that much. So. Working principle, this is that. Which one you do? Which you did that? Which you did that?
Corona.
Corona. Corona you did that one. And Corona that next which day you did that after Corona? Corona did you prepare inside? Today everybody must prepare these all and submit it. Liver, pressure, whatever it is. Understood? Okay. Now this will be completed. It doesn't take long time. And go to class. Your class is class for today, boy.
Yeah. All different.
Because if the labor doesn't match, then it's better not to sit in the class. Everybody. Now, if handwriting is not up to date, if you come without doing your work, I'll send back next junior class. You can learn with them. And you can find out how they must sincere they are. Okay, liver. Liver is a rigid bar. It may be straight or bent. Straight or bent. Like it also can be liver. Right?
Yes.
Spoon can be liver. Our hand can be liver. And especially in liver there are three different terms. What are the terms? Effort. We apply effort. There is load. And there is one fixed point on which the liver rotates. That rotating point is called fulcrum.
Fulcrum.
So E, F, L. Three things you have to remember.
EFL.
E, F, L. F, L, E. F, E, L, whatever you say. What is F?
Fulcrum.
It is a fixed point on which the lever rotates. What is E?
Effort.
Applied. We apply the effort. What is L?
Load.
Load overcome. Types of lever. Already you said first class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. How to know whether it is first class lever or second class lever or third class lever? We have to observe at the center or at the middle. What is at the middle here? From fulcrum. If fulcrum lies at the middle, which class lever is that?
First class.
Fulcrum at the middle, first class lever.
Fulcrum.
Load at the middle, second class lever. This is load. Effort at the middle, third class lever. So one minor formula is there to remember the type of lever. What is the formula? F, L, E. Simple.
E.
In first class lever, fulcrum lies at the center. In second class lever, load lies at the center. In third class lever, your sitting posture is
Go
on.
to the center.
Sit correctly, make back straight. Pull it back. What is in your right hand? Sit everybody correctly. Fulcrum at the middle, first class lever. Load at the middle, second class lever. Effort at the middle, third class lever. Example of first class lever?
Scissor.
Pliers,
Pliers.
right? These are pliers. Next one? Fire tongs.
Pin snips.
Next one?
Seesaw.
Seesaw. These are. Second class lever? Bottle, open. Opening and which
Not-
one?
not
Opening
cracker.
and closing a door, that is first class lever.
Not cracker.
Not cracker, not cracker.
Wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow, yes, wheelbarrow. You can. Not cracker. Wheel. Third class lever,
Fishing rod.
fishing rod.
Hammer.
Fishing rod. Next one,
Hammer.
hammer. And our hand also acts as third class lever.
Third class.
So will also acts as third
Third
class.
class.
This thing we have to remember. Is that clear? And next will be presented by Corona tomorrow. After Corona, which one is it? Would you read there? After Corona, would you read there? Now, just I will. Sorry? Okay, she will present this one. Finish. Now, pressure. Pressure, first part will be presented by whom? Sarvani. Pressure, this second part is presented by whom? Units. Pressure's third part is presented by whom?
Third part.
Or only two parts are there?
Mine is up to that before.
Okay. So, tomorrow, Karuna, next day Sarvani, next day Eunice.
And
Okay.
chapter is
Then this chapter must be completed. And question answer will discuss later. Now let's complete the question, this chapter presentation. Then question answer and other discussion, right? Okay, take out your book, copy, start reading and writing. Reading and
right. Solve it.